Good morning, students, and assalamu alaikum. Hope you're all doing well and good at your home. Welcome to new session. Today we are going to start our very first chapter of new Oxford Modern English Book 2. So for this, take out your book and take out page number 1. Here our first chapter name is Faiza's Biscuit. It means that this chapter is about Faiza and about her biscuits. Words to know. Restaurant, a place where people go and enjoy cooked meals. Restaurant is a place where people go and where people enjoy and eat cooked meals. Tiffin carrier, a box used for carrying food items. All of you put your finger here. Faiza is poor, she is hungry. Her tiffin carrier is empty. Poor means garib and hungry means bookie. Faiza is poor. Faiza is poor and she is hungry. She is poor, that's why she is hungry, because she has no money to buy something. Her tiffin carrier is empty. The tiffin which she is holding in her hand is empty. She is poor and that's why she is hungry. Her tiffin is empty. A car is stopping and people are getting out. Here, look at this picture. Car is stopping and all the people are getting out of this car. Getting out means bahir nikalna. As you can see, this man is getting out of the car. And what is this little girl saying? Look, there is the restaurant. She is happy for the restaurant because she is going to enjoy some meal in the restaurant. A little girl looks at Faiza. They all go into the restaurant. Looks means dekhna. This little girl looks at Faiza and then they all go into the restaurant. Faiza is looking through the window of the restaurant. Window means khidki. Window means khidki. Faiza is now here looking through this window through the restaurant. And what is she saying here? Oh, ice cream. She is happy for the ice cream. She is hungry. She wants to eat this ice cream. Now turn your page. The people are having fun. They are eating ice cream and biscuit. All these people are having fun. Fun means maze. All these people are having fun because they are eating ice cream and they are eating biscuits. They are eating ice cream and they are eating biscuits. Eating means khana. Now the little girl is cutting a cake. What are the others singing? This little girl is cutting this cake. Cutting means katna. This little girl is cutting this cake and all the other people are, what are they singing? They are singing happy birthday to you. It means that it's her birthday. Faiza is sitting on a wall close to the car. Wall means diwar. As you can see here, Faiza is sitting on this wall which is close to the car. Close means nazdeek, which is close to, this wall is close to the car. Faiza is sitting on the wall which is close to the car. The party is over. Everyone is carrying party bags and wearing party hats. Now here party is over. Over means khatam. Party is over and everyone is carrying party bags in their hand and they are wearing party hats. Hats means topi. Everyone is wearing party hats and everyone is carrying party bags. The little girl goes to Faiza. She gives her a bag and a box. Gives means dena. The little girl then goes to Faiza and she gives her a bag and a box. Faiza opens the bag. She eats some cake. She does not open the box. What is in it? Open means kolna. Faiza opens the bag and she eats some cake, but she does not open the box. What do you think? What is in the box? She puts the box in her basket. She puts the basket on her head. She goes down the road. She puts the box in her basket and then she puts the basket on her head and then she goes down the road. Road means sarak and basket means tokri. The next morning, agli subah, Faiza is outside school. What is she doing? Who is buying something from her? Buying means kharidna. Now the next morning, Faiza is outside school, and what is she doing? Yes, and who is buying something from her? Yes, a little school girl is buying biscuits from her. Now 10 years later, 10 saal baad. Here you can see after 10 years, now Faiza has her own shop and she is selling these biscuits, and you can see some people are buying these biscuits. Faiza's biscuits. Now here is a question. Why does Faiza sell her biscuits? What do you think? Why does Faiza sell her biscuits? Yes, she has no money. That's why she sell her biscuits. As we are done with our reading, so here we are going to start our copy work. So for this you have to first draw margin line and write date, serial number and classwork at the top of your page. Now for this you have to first write the chapter name, which is Faiza's Biscuits, and then you have to write its heading, which is dictation words. Now here your first dictation word is hungry, 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 hungry. Next one is empty, EMPTY, empty. And third one word is stopping, STOPPING, stopping. And the next one word is people, PEOPLE, people. And fifth one word is restaurant, RESTAURANT, restaurant. And sixth one word is window, WINDOW, window. Next one word is singing, SINGING, singing. And eighth one word is wearing, WEARING, wearing. And ninth one word is basket, BASKET, basket. And the last one word is outside, OUTSIDE, outside. Now here our next topic is word sentences. So for this you also have to draw margin line and write serial number, date and classwork at the top of your page. Now your heading is word sentences. Here first word is empty, and a sentence is my water bottle is empty, and then full stop. Second sentence is wearing, and a sentence is I am wearing a party dress, and then full stop. Next one is poor. A sentence is we should help poor people, then full stop. Fourth word is singing. She is singing a song, full stop. And then the last one word is cutting. I like cutting fruits, and then full stop. Now our next topic is question answer. You have to write it on the next page, and also you have to draw margin line and write classwork and date and serial number on the top of your page. Now here first question is what did Faiza see one day? Question mark. Its answer is Faiza saw a birthday party of a little girl in a restaurant, and then full stop. Second question is who went into the restaurant? Why? Its answer is a little girl went into the restaurant to celebrate her birthday, and then full stop. Third question is what did the people eat at the party? Its answer is the people eat ice cream and biscuit at the party. Fourth question is who gave Faiza some cake and biscuits? Its answer is the little girl gave Faiza some cake and biscuits. Full stop. Now here your last question is what did Faiza do the next morning? Its answer is Faiza went outside school and sold the biscuits. It was all about your copy work. After this we will do the book work. So here we are going to start our book work. So for this you have to take out your book and take out page number 4. Here question is, what are the words? They all begin with BO. Now I will read the sentence. You have to think about the word, and the hint is for you. It starts with BO. Now the sentence is, this is made of glass and holds liquids. Now it is bottle. Bottle. As you can see, bottle start with BO. Bottle. Next one is, there are some inside your body. They are bones. B-O-N-E-S. Bones. Bones start with B-O. Next one is, not a girl, not a man, nor a woman. It's a boy. Strong and full of courage. Bold. Now take out page number 5. Here your question is, put capital letters and full stops. Here are some sentences. You have to put capital letter and full stop at each sentences. So for this you have to first read this. We start a sentence with a capital letter. We start a sentence with a capital letter. We end a sentence with a full stop. We end a sentence with a full stop. We use a capital letter for names of peoples and places. We also use capital letter with the name of peoples or with the name of places. As here sentence is, Mr. Han worked in an office. Its first letter will be capital and it's the name of a person. That's why its first letter will be capital, as M is written here capital and K will be also capital. And in the last we will put full stop. Next sentence is, the office was in Lahore. First sentence will be capital, so you have to write T here as capital, and Lahore is the name of a place, so here we will write its first letter capital, so L will be capital, and in the last you have to put full stop. Now the next one is, one day Mr. Han went to Multan. Its first letter will be capital, O will be capital, and Mr. Han is the name of a person, so that's why we will write its first letter capital, M will be capital and K will be capital. And again Multan is the name of a place, so its first letter will be capital, M will be capital, and in the last you will put full stop. Now the next one is, he stayed at the Royal Hotel on Nazimuddin Road. So here H will be capital and Royal Hotel is the name of a place. So here you will write R capital and H capital. And in Nazimuddin, N will be capital and D will be capital. And in last you will put full stop. Now the next one is, on Monday he got a plane back to Lahore. Now on O will be capital and Monday M will be capital, and then Lahore is the name of a place, so L will be capital, and in the last put full stop. So it was all about your first chapter. Thank you.